Wallet tracking is by far the most effective way of making money with meme coins. Thanks to wallet tracking, I made over $12,000 in a single trade. And in today's video, I will show you how you can replicate results like this. I will show you exactly how to find profitable wallets, where you can actually track them, analyze them, and of course, how you can copy trade them so you can make money without even looking at your screen. So without further ado, let's just begin. First, you'll need GMGN.AI and you can find a link to it down in the description below. We'll use this tool to trade meme coins, track wallets, copy trade them, and analyze wallets. This tool has it all. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be posting many tutorials about this platform because there's just so many cool features that allow you to make money with meme coins. But once you actually create your account, your wallet tracker will be completely empty. So now I will show you how you can find wallets so you can add them to your wallet tracker. The first method is the most obvious one, which you probably know, is using Dexscreener. So you just look for the meme coins that pumped recently, like for example in the last 24 hours. One of the best performing coins was Limitless. So we go there and now we click at top traders. And here we can see people who made the most amount of money on this meme coin. So let's just pick one trader, click on Explorer, and right here we'll be able to copy his wallet. Right now, when you copy this wallet, just go back to GMGN and now we'll be able to analyze this wallet and figure out if it's worth tracking or copy trading or not. Right here in this box, just paste in the wallet address. Now we can analyze everything that this wallet is doing. And we can find everything here. You don't have to go to any external tools. You can analyze the wallet fully right inside of GMGN. That's why I use this tool for trading and wallet tracking. But let's just first figure out if this wallet is profitable and worth trading or not. So right here you can see the statistics of all the transaction this guy ever did, and also you have P&L calendar, which is going to show you on which days this guy was profitable or not. And today he made over $15,000, which is very decent. And right here you can see that this wallet is fresh and you have to be very careful with that because this person doesn't have a long track record of trading meme coins. Another important thing you have to check is what's the funding source for this wallet. This guy sent funds from Binance, but if he sent wallets from his previous wallet, then it will be displayed right here, which is very useful because if you analyze the previous wallet he was using and he was profitable, then he just swapped wallets and he wanted to get a completely fresh one, and you could potentially expect that he's going to perform well on this wallet. And right here we can see all realized P&L. He has 30% win rate and he made already over 83 Solana, which is quite nice. Below you can see all the trades, his deployed tokens, he didn't deploy any, what position he currently holds, and what is his recent P&L. So you can see his previous trades, if he is making money or not. And if you figure out this person is actually worth tracking, all you have to do is just click track. You can then add him to a specific group. We could just use default group. And now every single time he makes a trade, I will find it in this panel on the right side. And also if you want to add a name, so when you look at the chart, you'll exactly know which wallet you are looking at. We can name him, for example, Profitable Trader. So we will know when he buys something, I will easily see on the chart who actually bought this. And we can also change the icon so you'll know exactly who that person is. So let's say, for example, use this emoji. So whenever we see this emoji on a chart, we'll be able to see all his buys. And I can show it to you. Just click on any meme coin. And right here, oh, it's on 1 second chart, so it's kind of buggy. And right here, we can see all his trades on the chart. And now you can just rinse and repeat, go back to your Dexscreener, find some wallets, analyze them using GMGN, figure out if those traders are actively trading, if they are profitable or not, and then you can track their wallets so you get notified every single time they make a new trade so you can decide if you want to buy this meme coin. Because if we take a look at Limitless, and let me just copy the CA, and we go back to GMGN, we can even just click here, don't need to search for this. And right here we can see that the wallet we are tracking bought very, very early. Let's go to 50-second chart. Right here we can see that his entry was 58k and this token went to over $1.7 million market cap. And even if you are looking on this chart, you can see multiple different marked wallets which also bought the token. However, those wallets aren't in my wallet tracker, and this is one of the best features of GMGN. If you click on any chart, you can just go to display, and right here in makers you can specify what kind of wallets you want to display on your charts. For example, I always display KOLs, tracking wallets, what are my position and what the dev is doing. However, you can also select top, which will show you the top traders. You can also see the snipers who bought the coin early, insiders, which are the wallets who got sent supply. You can see the fresh wallets, which are brand new wallets that are trading the chart. You can also take a look at whale wallets, which are people who hold majority of the supply. So GMGN makes wallet tracking even more simple because you don't have to go to call scan and manually search for wallets. You can just trade as you always do. And if you find somebody very interesting who bought quite early, you can click on their profile. Then all you have to do is click right here. You'll be moved back to GMGN wallet tracker. You can analyze this wallet. And if you want to track this person, just click track, put him in your specified group. And now every single time this guy is going to make a trade, I will be notified. So finding wallets to track thanks to GMGN is super easy. You don't even have to scavenge through all the groups you have, call scan, etc. to find KOL wallets to track. You can find everything inside of GMGN. Technically, GMGN has all the tools you need to find profitable wallets. But if you want to find the most profitable trades and the best traders, you would need a tool like ATM.DAY. And I already created a full breakdown on my YouTube channel on how this tool works. So you can find it on my YouTube channel if you're interested. Obviously, those guys have huge success with trading meme coins because they analyze the best performing wallets on Solana blockchain. Their algorithm found out Limitless coin at 275k market cap, which allowed them to secure 6.5x in less than 3 hours. And the best part about ATM.DAY is that they also give you all the wallets that they are tracking. And if you want to get access to ATM.DAY, I'll leave you a link to it in the description down below. And you have two options to get access to the wallets by ATM.DAY. First one is going to get a higher tier, which will allow you to access their database of over 20,000 profitable wallets on Solana. But even if you get the cheaper plan, which is going to give you access to 4 trading algorithms, which are going to spit out the meme coins with the best potential, you can always find the wallets that were used to analyze if this coin can perform or not. Plus, every single day, they are going to give you yesterday stats. So you can find the best performing meme coins they found. So let's just take a look at this 67 coin. Just put the ticker in your search bar, look at ATM.DAY. Okay, I finally found it. Right here you can click on profitable wallets that aped in, and right here you get wallet addresses that ape into this coin that were also used to analyze if this meme coin could run or not. So just copy this wallet address and now go back to your GMGN, just type this address, and you can also add him to your wallet tracker. And since ATM.DAY has a huge track record of calling the most profitable meme coins, for example 285x, you can be sure that you can find these coins very early if you track the wallets they are providing. So once again, if you would like to try ATM.DAY, I'll give you the link to it down in the description below. So now you know everything about wallet tracking on Solana. So now it's time to start copy trading. Once you find a trader who is profitable, has a long track record of profitable trades, you can copy trade him inside of GMGN. Just go to their profile on wallet tracker and click copy trade. And right here, you can set up your copy trading. So first thing you need is to add your wallet that you are going to use to copy trade. I suggest you creating a separate wallet just for copy trading, just to make things tidy. And right here, you specify the way the copy trader is going to execute its orders. And if you don't know which one to use, just hover over the question mark and it will break down how exactly this method is going to be executed. So for example, with max buy amount, which is going to be the simplest one, if you type in 1 sol, you're going to be copy trading with 1 sol maximum. Even if this guy is going to ape 10 sol, you are going to buy 1 sol. Pretty self-explanatory. But if he's going to buy 0.1, you're also going with 0.1. Fixed buy, pretty simple. Every single time you'll buy with specify amount, and fixed ratio could be, for example, 50%. So you're always buying with 50%, but no more than 1 Solana. It's pretty self-explanatory, there's nothing complicated about it. And here you can specify your sell method. You can either copy the cells of the wallet you are actually tracking, you can disable the cells, so you're actually going to do it fully manually, or you can create custom take profit and stop loss orders. And obviously you have to pick the best strategy for you. And below we can see our slippage, priority fee, and tip. If you are brand new and you completely don't know how to set it up for yourself, you can just leave everything on auto, and auto should actually allow you to get in and out of trades automatically without a problem. But if you notice that it doesn't really work for you, then you can set up custom slippage, priority fee, and tip fee. And once everything is set up the way you like, just click confirm, and GMGN is going to automatically copy trade the wallet you want. Now you know everything about wallet tracking and copy trading using GMGN. And if you would like to know everything about GMGN, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to post even more tutorials about this platform. Learning it on your own can be very confusing. And if you got curious about ATM.DAY and you don't have 12 hours a day to stare at new creations, then make sure to check out this video. Here I fully break down how ATM.DAY works and how you can use it to make money with meme coins.